For the first one, okay, which is located x should be located in between 2 to -2. But in -2, there is a colored circle, so that means there is an equal mark also. And I told you to find the integral solutions. So x can hold the values which are -2 because in the circle, the colored one, that means x can hold -2, -1, 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and +1, not +2, because in +2 inequality there is no any equal mark, no. So that can hold the values which are less than 2. That means -2 is possible, -1, 0 and +1. Those are the possible answer in this case. Okay, when you think about your next region here, you can write x in here. X will hold, sorry, x is greater than or equals to 4. Okay, x is greater than or equals to 4. So that means x can hold the values which are +4, +5 and +6. Okay, x will holding the values which are greater than 4. Instead of this, you can write like this also, 4. Okay, but the thing is, the open side of the inequality should be indicated towards x, and there is an equal mark also in your inequality. You can represent either this way, okay, either this way or this way. Both of these methods are possible in this case. Okay, when you look at this side, the left side area here, x values which are less than -3. Okay, less than -3. So x will hold, x cannot hold -3. Can hold the values which are less than -3. That means -4, -5, -6. These are our possible answers in this case. When you think about this region, this pink color region, I'll write this x should be in between 0 to -1. Okay, in between 0 to -1. I'll write here 0 to -1. In 0 area, there's a colored portion, colored circle, so we can put the equal mark also. And in this case, there is no any integral values because x can hold the values which are in between 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1. So only possible value for x is 0. Okay, only possible value is x is equals to 0 because when you think about -1, x is not equals to -1. X will hold the values which are greater than -1 and equals to 0 and less than 0. In between, there is no any intermediate value. When we consider about the intermediate region, it will hold only the fractional values and decimal values. We are only talking about integral values, so we can take those quantities. So x is equals to 0 is the only possible answer in this case. Okay, for the final one, x is greater than 5. So x can hold the values which are equals to +6, +7, likewise. Okay, in here, x is less than or equals to -2. Okay, less than or equals to -2. That means x can have the values -2, -3, -4. Okay, these are the possible x outcomes in this case.